How to clear search history on Dropbox app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear search history on Dropbox. First thing you have to do, go to the app. Now this is the home page. Go to the top corner, click on those three lines and go down, click on the settings right here. After you click on settings, now on this page, scroll down until you find clear search history down here. It's the last option. Click on it and your recent search history now is cleared in easy, fast way. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you later.